Hey guys, welcome to Blenia Lords. Today I'll be teaching you how to share to smoke fabric just as you are seeing in the picture. So I'll teach you how to smoke Ankara fabric or any other fabric. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, or if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get alerted whenever I post a new video. My smoky thread, I'll be using four. I'll be using four smoky thread. Look at this. So look at the smoky thread, elastic thread. You can call it elastic thread. You can see how stretchy it is. So look at my reeler. Can you see? This is how I'll reel it with my hand. I'm going to. Can you see how I did it? Look at it. Sorry. See? This is how you do it. You want to roll it all through. You want to roll it all through till your reeler is filled. Then also you are going to put your stitch regulator at the very last part of it, last part of the regulator, at the last level. That's where you put it. So after this, now I'll show you how to smoke your fabric. So I've already rolled my elastic thread on my reeler. Can you see? I've rolled it full. So I'm going to put it inside my short or my bubbling. Look at it. So I'll fix it under. Okay. So I fixed it under. So I want to sew now. So I'm starting from the up of the fabric. Starting from the up part of the fabric, not the down. The up part of the fabric. So I'm starting from the very edge. So you can lock your stitch. Like I told you, put it at the very down part of the gown. Sorry, down part of the stitch regulator. Can you see it's already squeezing my fabric? So this is how we do it to the end of the fabric. Then I will turn. Alright, I'm still smoking. I've smoked to the end of the fabric. Can you see? So I turn. Can you see that I turned it? I did not lock my stitch. I turned and I sew like ½ inch. Can you see ½ inch? You can use your tape to mark it out. Can you see? I did not lock my stitch. I'm going the other way again. Can you see my fabric is already stretchy? Can you see? It's gathering already. So when you get to the other end also, you will also turn the way you turned in this part of the fabric. So I've gotten to the end of the other part of the fabric. Can you see now? I've gotten to the end. So I raise my presser, my footer. Can you see I turned it this way? Can you see? ½ inch. If it's 1 inch you want to do your own, you can do your own 1 inch, but mine is half. So I've turned and I'm sewing back. Can you see? Just sew straight. This is how you do it till you get to that place that I marked 35. So that's the place this is how you do it till you get to that place that I marked 35. So this is how you do it. When you get there, you stop there. So you see I've sewn to this level. So I repeated that pattern that I taught you. When you get to the end, you turn. You don't have to lock your stitch. So I've gotten here. So I want to show you again so that you will see. See, when sewing, make sure you spread. Can you see I'm spreading the fabric? Can you see I'm spreading it so that it won't clinch. Can you see I'm spreading the fabric? Use your hand to spread it. I've gotten to the end again. So I'll raise my presser, my footer, and turn this way. Can you see? ½ inch. Or if it's 1 inch, you do 1 inch, then you turn. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you have been watching my video, please do me the favor of clicking on the subscribe button. Please click on the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up. Do like the video and share the link with others so that others can benefit. I do post videos on my channel every week. You can see the result of the smoked and fabric that we just did. So this is how your fabric will look like when you have smoked it. So see you in our next tutorial. Bye.